Welcome to Fixed Lab 18. Today I will show you everything you need to know to get started with Excel step by step. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, by the end of this video, you will be able to use Excel like a pro. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet software program where information is organized in a grid of rows and columns. Each box in this grid is called a cell, and that's where you enter your data, whether it's text, numbers, or formulas. Think of Excel as a digital notebook that can do automatic calculations, create charts, and manage data. It's widely used for tasks like budgeting, keeping tracks of expenses. When you open the MS Excel, you will see this kind of layout. Here you can see new blank workbook, or you can choose some more templates. But for now, we will just go for the blank workbook. Clicking this one, and then it opens like this. If you want to zoom it or zoom in or zoom out, what you can do is just press the control key and then scroll up for zoom in, scroll down for zoom out. I'm just going to scroll in, scroll up, so I can zoom in. In the beginning, let me just go through with the MS Excel layout. So for here we have got file tab, where you have the option for save as or print option if you want to save or print or start a new one, or if you want to open the existing Excel sheets which you have the work before. Next we have got home tab. Here you will find everything from clipboard where copied or cut items are available. We have got font, alignments, we have got numbers options, we have got style, which we will be going through one by one. Next we have got insert. If you want to insert some pictures, shapes, icons, or if you want to insert some word art or text box, you find the options here in the insert tab. Next we have the draw options. If you want to just draw something, if you want to just highlight something, you can simply do it like this from the draw tab, just selecting the right one. Okay, going back to the cursor. Page layout. If you want to print this workbook, we can do it from this page setup option. From this page layout, we can do this page setup. Print this. We also have got themes. If you want to make this Excel sheet more attractive, you can use this theme options. We have got formulas. As I said earlier, we can do automatic calculations in Excel, so formula is an important thing which we will be doing later on. We have got data options, like if you want to connect it with something like data sharing and all those things, we can use this data option. We have got these horizontal cells are rows and these vertical cells are columns, and each box that you see here is a cell, and if you select a number of cells, it is called range of cells. So first one, this is a cell, this is the intersection of A and 1, so it is A1. If it is the intersection of B and 2, it is called B2. It's like that. If you want to select this whole column, you can just click it here. If you want to select this whole row, you can just click it here and it will just select the whole thing. Moving on, let's do some data entering here. If you want to do, I will just type some names and marks. It's like that. We can just type data enter like that. Just type in it. When entering marks, let's click here and just enter the numbers which you want to do. We can add numbers. We also simple formatting to make heading stand out. What we can do is we can make this thing bold or just change the formatting a little bit. So I will just select these two and then click the bold here. We can also try some more formatting options, like if you want to do italic, you can change it from here. If you want to underline, you can just do it from here. Or if you want to change the fonts, we have got options, so many options here. If you want to change the font size, we have got options. As we see, this one, it is going out of the box, so just hover over here and then hover over and then just double click, and then it will fit in the place. This here also, just double click and it will fit in the place. Adding borders. To make table look more professional, we can add some borders in this. Select the cells which we go to this border option, just click down the arrow and we have got so many options here. I choose the whole borders option, and it is now border. Let's learn about basic formulas, the real power of Excel. With the help of that, we can do automatic calculations also. So what is formula? A formula is simply a way for Excel to do calculation for you. All formulas in Excel start with an equal sign. So I will just start here by pressing equal sign. Let's say we want to find total marks of all students. Type sum. You get the options here. Just double click on it. Just double click the formula which you want to choose. I have double click this one. Now drag it from here to bracket. Now press enter. So it calculated itself. Excel will automatically add all the numbers in cell B2 to B4, and this is the total marks which we have got now. Try some other formulas. Example, let's see, let's try average, AVE. We can double click this and select these ones, and just we can find the average of these three from B2 to B4. Close this bracket and then press enter. So the average mark is 79. That's what we got. So this is, in this way, Excel makes things much more simpler. The next thing is Excel also does automatic updates. If you, for example, if you just change some data here, this was 65, so I just change this to 52. It will automatically make changes according to the formula and give you the latest result. This is a fun way to work with Excel. Fill handle. Let's say you want to type January to December. What you can do is, instead of typing everything, hover your cursor just above the small dot in the right side of the cell. When the plus sign becomes dark black in color, you can just click and drag it down like that, and it will just fill it up on itself. This is called fill handle. Before we wrap up, let's go over how to save, print and export your Excel sheets. Saving your workbook. To save your workbook, click on file, go to save as, just select the browse option, select, and after browsing it, I will just click on the documents and I will save it. I will just rename here, type some name here, and save as type is Excel book. You can change this to PDF as well. PDF options and some other options are there, and then we can just save it. So now data is saved, and that's it. You have just learned the basics of Excel, from creating tables to using formulas. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Fix Lab 18.